I sizzle and I shine. So this is some rocket or arugula, some mesclun, nasturtium, as well as those oriental greens, mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, red onions, plenty of garlic, and eggplant, sauteing in and some sun-dried tomatoes, sauteing in olive oil and a little butter, and I'm getting ready to just put a little sea salt, herbs de Provence, red pepper flake, I think this is onion powder, and pepper in this, and this is for vegetable, well, I'm not going to call it a vegetable omelet, I mean, not an omelet, but a, what do you call those things, a quiche, because I'm going to put some bacon in it too, probably, so it's not going to be fully vegetable. Sizzle. Those greens are going to be so delicious. They have the various tastes, peppery, bitter, tenderness, all of that. So what does that say? I don't know what that said. Oh, okay. Anyway, my quiche is ready. It's so beautiful. Look how lovely. I overdid the egg and the cream. It is so pretty. I almost forgot to put my butter on the crust, but I managed to do that just a tiny bit, just on the edges so that the crust is delicious too. You know, every bite needs to be delicious. So anyway, so this has, from my garden, I have eggplant, garlic, onion, portobello mushrooms, baby portobellos, of course, and some greens, different greens. I have nasturtium, arugula, Asian or oriental, like a bok choy-ish type of green, and it's something else like mesclun, and anything else I can't remember, but anyway, this is going to be, oh, and bacon is in here, and cheddar cheese is in here, as well as a little feta. I have feta on one side, the light side is where the feta is, and the cheese is, the cheddar is everywhere, but I just wanted to be sure I put a little feta in there, so I'm gonna enjoy this. So thanks for watching. Haha, look how beautiful. So I think I put it on normally it's 350, but this time I put it on like 360 for 40, let me see, 35, 40 minutes. Yep. Bonjour. Remember, if I mentioned, there is, of course, bacon in here too. There is lovely bacon in here. Normally I use like chorizo or whatever meat. I almost use smoked sausage today, but my ground turkey was in the freezer. But nonetheless, whatever I have, that's why I like to fry bacon up and just put it to the side somewhere in the freezer or wherever, so that it's always ready.